Hey, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. Aren't you happy? And today I am going to share with you my empties. It's the end of the year. You just throw all this stuff out before I head out of town. So let's get started. This is a Daily Defense Hydrating Coconut Shampoo. I've shared this with you before because I like it. And I've gotten, well, this is my second or third bottle I've used. And I have another bottle down here, but I've just moved into a shampoo that came in one of my boxes to try instead. It's no parabens, low sulfates, hydrating coconut, enriched with hibiscus oil. And Dollar Tree, $1. Can't go wrong. Then here's this little Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. I loved this stuff. I'd like to find more of it. Not because I need it, because I like it. I love the jar. Now, right now, I've got to wash it out. But I'm probably going to save the jar. I don't know why. I don't remember what box I got it from, but I love the banana scent. I put it on my hands and my legs every night before I get in bed. Let's see. Let's save all the masks to do together. Some of them I put them in here. We're kind of greasy. Let's set them there. Okay, well, hello. This is that hello. I don't know if I bought this in the drugstore or if it came, because I have gotten some in one of the packages. Obviously, I like it. I used it all up. My problem is some of the toothpaste burned my tongue, so this one isn't too bad. And, of course, it's hemp seed oil and coconut oil, natural fresh spearmint, fluoride-free. I don't buy any with fluoride in them. It's a personal preference. And, of course, here's a Burt's Bees. I use so much of the, what do you call it, chap lips balms. And I always like Burt's Bees. I can always go back to Burt's Bees once I use up all the tons of others I've got. And this one, this is another one that came. This is a lip and body balm. I liked this one too. Still a little bit in there. It's Clementine lip and body balm. That came in a box too. Here's a cute little Dairy Chamomile Eye Oil. And I used, about almost a little more than half of this. Under my eyes every night I would put them on, and then it seemed like, well, I don't know if it's doing any good. Time to switch to a new one, so I'd say kind of a half a nay on this one. This is a no BS caffeine eye cream. I didn't like this. What was the reasoning? I don't know. I just didn't like it. Came in a box. This is that 111 Skin Cairo ATP Sports Booster. Now, my daughter recommended this, and I liked it. And we use it kind of, cleavage to try to do away with some of the wrinkles that you tend to get there, And so I used it for quite a while, and I guess it did some good. I mean, I haven't gotten any worse. And this, who was it from? It was from probably Ipsy or somebody, So, yeah, I would buy this again. And then this is a Girlactic oil, or, lip oil. And I like it. I think I just had it for a long time, and kind of getting a funny smell, but that's what I had up here. And every day after I'd wash my face, put my stuff on, I would just put this on. And then the last thing I put in here today, it was Pacifica Island Vanilla Micro Batch Roll-On Perfume. And I had gotten 2 different scents of these. And my purpose was, there's just a lot in there still, because I hadn't used them. My purpose was to decide which one I wanted to bring on my trip. And so we tried the 2 different ones on today, and this one almost kind of smells alcohol-y. So, you know, maybe it's time to run out. Do they have a expiration date? Otherwise, I liked it. I had gotten it at Ulta, like probably early last summer, or maybe when I was down here last winter. I don't know. But okay, now we'll get to the eye things. All right. This is the one I tried to use yesterday. It's the Earth Pure Gel Under Eyes. I couldn't get it to stay on my face. You know, they're real slimy. Maybe others of you have a better way of using it, but I couldn't get it to stay on, so I couldn't use it. And then we have this Pure Aura Gold Foil Mask. I don't remember. Do you? This might have been the one that I couldn't get to open up or stay on me. I don't know, but... And then, of course, you know, yesterday I did the Santa one. I had done it one other week, so I had the 2 Santa ones in here. You know, I like these. I really like the Creme Shop face mask. So, yeah, this was good. Say I did it yesterday. How do I look today? And let's see, this Glow Jerry Berry sheet mask. Don't remember. I must have liked it. The CBD Cucumber Face Mask. Yeah, this was nice. I didn't notice any difference over any other kind, though. So, you know, but I'd use it again if it came here. And then, oh, these I love. These are the Made in Korea Le Mini Macaron Moisturizing Hand Mask. I love these things. I just, it's in the, I must have put it in here for a reason. Oh, because it's got little lips on it. You know, you just put it on your hand, and I sit there watching TV, and I just keep going like this. Very relaxing. So that'll do it for this month. Or actually, it's 2 months. What you think? Any of these products, anything that you really like a lot? You know, and you want to tell me I'm nuts? Let's throw these over here in this garbage pile. That's annoying me. So please make comments below, share, like, and subscribe. And I hope you all enjoyed looking at my junk. Love you. Bye.